Hi guys, it's me, friends, and I'm in my bed because I'm about to sleep. And I have an announcement to you guys because um, I told Ira to film herself too, like I'm doing right now. And after she filmed herself, then she's going to upload it, or she can use her her grandmother's phone, and she's gonna sign up it. She's going to sign up using the Samara Rahaton. So if um if if you're if you have noticed, it's only if I'm on when I'm filming, it's only me. And because I my mother told me to um to play inside or film inside because I sometimes I'm having a cough or cold. So my mom told me not to play with them first because I'm having a cough or cold. So if you notice, I no if we're filming, if I'm filming, I'm always me. If I sometimes if I'm filming, I'm with Ira or Sam. No, Ira only. Sometimes only. And if Ira is filming herself, so that means the whole video is about herself. And if the filming starts with me, it means the whole video is all about me. And if Sander is filming himself in the first, that means he's only it's the video is all about himself. Yeah. Um so um I'm about to sleep, and I remember that, and I think, and I'm going to do the question of the day. Yeah, what is the question of the day will be? Hmm. Oh no, that's not. Mm. Oh. Um. Okay. I am not doing the question of the day today because I can I don't know the question of the day because I'm so sleepy. I think my mind is already asleep. So wait, wait a minute. I knew the question of the day will be. The question of the day is, what will be the question of the day today? Yeah. So don't forget to comment down below because we wanna know your answer for our question of the day. And the question of the day is, what will what will be the question of the day today? So bye. See you tomorrow. I forgot to tell you guys, if I didn't upload a video tomorrow, that means I didn't film myself because I'm busy. Yeah. I'm busy. But sometimes when I don't like to film myself, I'm playing with my dog, Jean or Sassy, and my oh yeah, I'm already I wait a minute. So yeah, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.